Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Google Sites. So I'm going to first of all go to our drive. Okay, so I've got more on my drive than you will in there. So there's my drive. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to use the other mouse. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to come into my Internet Skills Teresa Moran, and I'm going to open up these text files. So there's all my text files. I don't know if I have them all updated or not, but they will do. So I've got a home page here and all of that, so I can use this for my Google Sites. So I can come in here and go to New, More, and Google Sites. This is the easiest way to start the sites. It's going to say create a shared folder. You would have the same sharing permissions as the selected folder, so that's fine because I do want to share my Google Sites with you. And I come in here then and I have a blank page. So this is where I start my site. Now I'm going to do this in steps because each one of these videos I get for free on Screencast for 5 minutes. So start here, your page title, enter site name, untitled site. So say if I want to call this Teresa Moran Training, right? So I'm going to call it Teresa Moran Training. So that's going to become my site name. And you can see the site title comes up here straight away. And here I can call it, again, Teresa Moran Training if I want. So that'll do me. So I have a blank, I always get a landing page when I start the Google Sites. Now, very simple setup. Over here, then I can insert a text box down here. I can embed a link. I can insert images, or I can go to the Google Drive and upload the files I've ready. I can change the layout of my page. Okay, so I can change my layout to any of these layouts here. And then I have all of these other options down here that I can use as I go along. So for now, I'm just going to build a plain old site. So the first thing I'm going to insert is my home page document from Google Docs. So I'm going to go to the Google Drive. I'm going to go to my drive, and then I've got to find my folder again. I'm going to go into my text files. And in here, then I should have my home page somewhere down here. So I'm just going to double click on that, and it inserts it on the site. Now, this is really basic site editing. It doesn't do anything fancy for you. But if you want to get a quick something together, this would be a really good way of putting a wiki together. So I'm just going to make it bigger there. So I can make it wider, and then I can make it the length of the page, or as long as I want it. Okay, so that's my home page there. So you can see I haven't done much with editing my home page. I'm not going to worry about that. So that's my first page. Now, I want to publish that and see what it looks like. So I'm going to call it Teresa Moran Training. I'm going to check out those dashes and see if it'll allow me to create the web addresses without the dashes. Okay, so that's going to be my my Google site there. Anyone who can view my site can manage it. It doesn't really make any difference. And I'm going to publish it. Okay, so it's been published successfully, and I'm going to view it. And there you go. That's my landing page. So if you looked for this address, if I sent you this link and you clicked on it, you would get into this page. It's not bad for 2 minutes work. And a lot of people are using these wikis now. So I'm going to close that down, and I'm going to go back to my edit page. So try that, see how you go. You can insert another image or whatever you want to do yourselves, and give it a go and see how you get on. So I'm going to stop the video there now, and I'll create number 2 in a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to dismiss that. Lots of screens popping up here on me, so we won't worry about that. So I'm